Welcome fellas into this new video to Express. Today let's get started with Amazon affiliation. So if you don't know about this, basically Amazon now can help you to, let's say, getting paid. You can get paid only for making affiliation of Amazon. How can we get actually started? So showing an actual website, for example, let's say that I'm going to be signing in directly from a Shopify account that we currently have. You don't need it, of course, to start right away directly through Shopify. So basically what we're doing here is just to focus into an easy task, which is just checking out how it actually looks, the affiliation of a lot of the products. So for example, here we have websites that we have generated with Google Sites totally for free. What we do is to try to make this affiliation process really fast. So for example, let's say that you create an actual blog, you talk about an actual product that you liked into Amazon, you go for the actual link, you put the actual link from Amazon, from your Amazon Association account, and when somebody makes a purchase with this specific link, you're going to be earning an actual percentage of that specific sale. That's how the actual Amazon Association Central works. So you don't want to apply yet. First of all, Amazon manually reviews your site after your first sale. So you needed an active website, you needed a YouTube channel or a public social media page. If, for example, if your Instagram is private, you might be getting, of course, rejected. So make sure your site looks professional. It is about page, it is a privacy policy. Amazon wants to see that you are a real business, not an actual bot. So, once you do have, for example, an actual website, you have your socials, you have an actual blog, let's say, for example, that you can get totally for free with Google Sites, you can go now into the affiliation of Amazon, which is usually just type the word Amazon affiliates like this, and here it is, the affiliate program.amazon.com. Now what you need to do is, now that you are directly inside here, this is how it should be looking your actual account. So you have the actual earnings overview, the Creator University of how you can actually earn money, the operating agreement, the store ID, my name. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is to sign out. Once I am signed out, what I'm going to be doing here is to go for the option that says sign up. This is for you guys. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use the same mobile or email account. I don't recommend that you use the same email account that you use for making purchases into Amazon, because you want to, of course, to separate buying from selling. Trust me guys, it's going to be really important. So you can list every URL where you plan to post links. If you post a link on a site you didn't list, Amazon can ban you from unverified traffic. So you wanted to pick a professional store ID. This will be visible into every link you send, so don't make it something embarrassing, right? Now, when you sign in directly inside here, basically I wanted to enter the right information really fast. There we go. Now it's going to be asking me for the two-step verification, which is going to be just a one-time code that can be sending into your devices like this. I'm going to just enter the code. I'm going to hit for the option that says sign in, and here is creating your Amazon Association account. This might be appear as blurred because you might be seeing a little bit of sensitive content. So basically what you need to do is to provide all about your account information, the city, the phone number, the state, and basically all of this information, which is going to be really important. Once you have entered all of that information, what you need to do is to hit into the option that says next. Now you might not see this below anymore, but basically here, for example, you have the website and the mobile application list, which usually it appears, for example, you wanted to enter more information about your website. In my case, for example, what I'm going to be doing here is to enter the website that we currently have from, in this case, from Google Sites. So I wanted to enter this information, and I hit for the option that says next. Basically, how do you plan to making the actual sales? How do you plan to marketing? How do you plan to promote all of this information? So what you want to do is to go for the option that says no, confirm, and here you can enter now your information storage. For example, I'm going to go for Tech Express. Tell us your content you create. For example, we focused into YouTube videos providing let's say, I don't know, items and accessories for all kind of tech people. something like that. Now, which of the following best describe your content? Let's say, for example, that we having blogs. How do you hear about us? Usually you can go for online search and go for the option that says finished. Just like that, we have now the applying for the association program, and the unique association ID is going to be appearing directly inside here. Now, it's going to be really important to enter a payment and a tax information in order to start earning money. Once you have now directly all of this element, what you can do now is to head over for Amazon.com, and directly inside here into Amazon, you should be seeing here that you have now the element of Amazon. Let's say, for example, what we're going to be doing here is to just select an actual account. So when you finish with this actual process, the next thing you wanted to do, of course, or the last thing you wanted to do, is to now look out for products that you would like to make the affiliation for. Let's say, for example, this product. You select the actual link of this specific product, you copy that link, and once you have made this sale, well, you can now start earning your money, and it will be appearing directly into the earnings overview. So basically, this is how you can actually get started with the commission rates and all of that. So there's a lot of things to cover. For example, the marketing, the sprinting, the sales, the commissions, the bounties, the clicks, how to make some more sales, how to get a top seller. So we're going to be talking a little bit more about that into another tutorial. For now, it will be actually it. So Amazon affiliation marketing is an actual marathon, not an actual sprint. If we want to see how to influence programs differs and how to get your videos into product pages, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.